If you're a map nerd or just crazy curious about our planet, this one's for you. How did we map the entire world? Let's dive into the fascinating journey of global cartography. Imagine a time when the world was a vast, uncharted wilderness. Ancient explorers used the stars to navigate and sketch the outlines of lands and seas. Fast forward to the Age of Discovery, when adventurers like Magellan and Columbus expanded our horizons even further. But it wasn't until the 20th century that things really got techie. Enter satellites, zipping around Earth, capturing detailed images from space. These eye-in-the-sky heroes have been game-changers in the world of mapping. Now, with a click or a swipe, we can zoom from the pyramids of Egypt to the icy expanses of Antarctica. Thanks to Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, professionals can analyze environmental data and urban planners can design smarter cities. So, the next time you use your GPS to navigate to the nearest coffee shop, remember the centuries of exploration and innovation that made it all possible. Here's to the map makers, the boundary breakers, and the relentless quest for knowledge.